Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Engine Essentials video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss what is Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is an awesome game engine developed by Epic Games. What is Unreal Engine? Unreal Engine is a game engine developed by the company called Epic Games, guys. Initially, it is meant to create FPS games. FPS full form is first person shooter. Initially, Unreal Engine is meant to create first-person shooter games. Today, it is being used to create wide variety of 2D and 3D games like first-person shooter games, third-person shooter games, platformer games, flying games, puzzle-based games, vehicle-based games, side-scrolling games, role-playing games, massively multiplayer online games, MMO games, etc. etc. guys. Using Unreal Engine, you can create highly appealing, optimized, multi-platform and simple to complex games very easily. Using Unreal Engine, you can create highly attractive, high performance games, that is games which take less memory, run faster. You can create games for desktop, you can create games for mobile, PlayStation, that is console, web, etc. etc. You can create simple to complex games very easily using Unreal Engine, guys. Unreal Engine is not only used in making games, it is also used in various fields like television, films, live events, architecture, engineering, construction, automation, product design, manufacturing, etc. etc. guys. Here I have opened the Unreal project browser. As I told that Unreal Engine is not only used in creating games, it is also used in creating applications for various fields like film, television and live events, architecture, engineering and construction, automotive, product design and manufacturing. So if you want to create games, you will be choosing this category. If you want to create applications for film, television, live events, you will be choosing this category, guys. If I click on games, you can see that we have various templates which allow us to create different kinds of games. Like we can create first person shooter games, we can create puzzle based games, we can create third person shooter games, we can create 2D side scroller games, we can create vehicle based games, we can create virtual reality applications, we can create AR applications, etc. 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 So using Unreal Engine, you can not only create games, you can create films, you can create simulations, you can create advertisements, you can pre-visualize complex architectures, products, etc. etc. guys. There are millions of users of Unreal Game Engine. Every day hundreds of games are created using Unreal Engine and released. Unreal Engine helps you bring your imagination into reality. Unreal Engine helps you bring your imagination into reality. If you want to create any game, simulation or tell a story, then Unreal Engine is the best choice, guys. Note, the demand of professionals with Unreal Engine skill is projected to grow 122% over the next 10 years. So this is the right time to learn Unreal Engine, guys. Learn how to make games using Unreal Engine, learn how to make simulations using Unreal Engine, learn how to tell stories using Unreal Engine, etc. etc. guys. If you want to make a game, simulation or tell a story, I strongly suggest you to visit this link and download the Unreal Engine, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss Unreal Engine step by step in depth, guys. So I suggest you to download the Unreal Engine and install it in your computer system. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is Unreal Engine. Remember that Unreal Engine is an awesome game engine developed by Epic Games. Using Unreal Engine, you can create highly appealing, optimized, multi-platform, simple to complex games very easily. Using Unreal Engine, you can not only make games, you can create simulations, films, pre-visualize complex architectures, products, etc. etc. That's it, guys. See you in the next tutorial. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.